Hello and welcome to our video on expanding single brackets. So the type of question you're going to get here will ask you to expand, and the question will have brackets in it. 2 bracket x plus 6 is the example I'm going to give. So expand means to get rid of the brackets. So I might just jot that down. And give your answer with no brackets in it. Expanding is the opposite of factorising. If you're asked to factorise something, you need to put it back into brackets again. But if you're asked to expand, you need to get rid of the brackets. And we do that by using the distributive law. Which is a long name for a law, but it means that we need to distribute or multiply the number in front by each term inside the brackets. So for this example, it means that we need to make sure we multiply the 2 by the x and then we multiply it by the 6. So it can be useful to draw these little arrows over the top to remind you, because every time I get someone doing a test, people forget, and I get people who only multiply the 2 or the number on the outside by the first term, and they forget to multiply it by the second term. So when we expand this one, we get 2 times x, which equals 2x. 2 times plus 6 is positive 12, and our solution is 2x plus 12. See how there's no brackets in the solution? It means that it's fully expanded. Second example here for you, negative 2x, bracket x minus y. I'll put a number 2 on that for you. And third example, 2 bracket x minus 1 minus 3 bracket 2x plus 4. If you're feeling brave, you might like to pause the video now and have a go at doing these 2 examples. Otherwise, you can keep watching to see how they work. Okay, first one. We need to make sure we multiply this whole term by both parts inside the bracket. So I'm going to put my little arrows on there to remind me, and I will end up with negative 2x times x will be negative 2x squared, and negative 2x times negative y, so a negative times a negative makes a positive. There's going to be a 2 for the number, and x, y for the pronumerals. Third example, we do have 2 sets of brackets here, but we can do them all as 2 separate problems and then add them all together to simplify. So first of all, we can do 2 times x, which is 2x, 2 times negative 1, negative minus 2. Then we need to be careful here with this negative sign. So negative 3 times 2x is negative 6x. Negative 3 times 4 is negative 12. Now we need to gather our like terms. We've got an x term and an x term. Make sure you keep the negative with this 6. So we get 2x minus 6x is negative 4x. We have a number and a number. Negative 2 take away 12 is negative 14. Thanks for watching the video.